Tacx Desktop App is Tacx's training application for computers. It brings reality to your indoor training. First, you will need a computer with Bluetooth, Internet, and your Tacx Smart Trainer. Then, download Tacx Desktop App. For Windows users, please download from Microsoft Store. For Mac users, please download from App Store. Open the app and log in. First, fill in user profile. Among them, privacy can set whether to share your writing information with other Tacx users. Next, select Devices. Let's pair the Tacx Trainer. Power up the trainer. The app will search for the device automatically. Select your device. Pairing is complete. Now, let's write. Tacx provides several kinds of training modes. We will use films to demonstrate. Choose a course. Select a range or the entire course. You can write with other Tacx users. Select Opponents. Select the opponents you want to write with. And start training. We will enter the warm-up screen first. After warming up, the training will start. Besides high-definition real-life videos, you can also view detailed course information and your performance data on the screen. Select the small circles below to switch between data. If you want to pause during the ride, just stop. If you want to end the training, select Stop Ride. Then select Save Activity. After your body cools down, select End Cool Down. Finally, if you want to subscribe to the full Tacx training features, please visit the Tacx Cloud website. Select Subscription and Settings. Plans and Pricing. Choose the subscription plan you want. And that's it. Thank you for watching.